So first we need to know about the data frame. So what is data frame? The data frame is actually a two-dimensional data structure where data is aligned in a tabular fashion in rows and columns, right? Where each column can have a column name and there is also an index column. So now the question is, how can we create a data frame? We can create a data frame from a Python list or from a Python dictionary. First, let's create a data frame from Python list. So first, let's create a list. Now, to create a data frame, we need to import the library called Pandas. So import Pandas, and then to transform the created list into a data frame, we need to use the pandas dot data frame method. So now if you print the df, you can see the list is transformed in a data frame, where you can see the 0 is the column name. And now to add a new column to the created data frame, use the new column name inside the second bracket. Here I create a new column named 1 and assign the values to it, and now you can see a new column named 1 is added to the data frame. So now let's create a data frame from a Python dictionary. First, create a dictionary. Now if you don't know about Python dictionary or list, I will put a link in the description below. You can check it from there. So first, create a dictionary like this. Here you can see the dictionary li have two keys named Dhoni and Raina and the corresponding values to it. Now if you print the dictionary, you can see the dictionary here. Now to transform this dictionary into a data frame, import the pandas library as whatever name you want. Here I import the pandas as pd. Now to transform the dictionary into a data frame, use the pandas dot data frame method. Now here you can see the dictionary is transformed in a data frame. Now if you can access any column of that data frame like this. Here I am trying to access the column Dhoni, and here you can see the values of column Dhoni. You also can access any row of that data frame using ilog method. Here I am trying to access the last row of that data frame. Here so I use -1 inside the ilog method. Here you can see the values of last row. You also can perform any mathematical operation on the data frame column between the data frame columns. Here I'm trying to add the values of column Dhoni and Raina. So we can do like this, and just simply add the value of Dhoni and Raina like this. Here you can see the addition result of Dhoni and Raina. Now to add a new column to that data frame, you creating a new column named Ronaldo and assigning the values to it. Now if you print the df, you can see a new column named Ronaldo is added. So that's it guys. If you want to know more about Python, keep in touch with Deep Tech. Thank you.